Alright, my people, so I did a video for the fans in the heart to show them how to catch a square line. Yeah, so this place is on a lot of angle. So the square line, you know, really easy to square like over than a regular square at least. But we have to square it half of the front. Yeah, because we want this to look good. Going down to the passage. Going down to the passage, we want the passage to look good as well. So, we use the laser to line it up, then we have to chart it. So basically mark it over now. Alright. Yeah, so we have a work on with square line. So once we chalk it, we have a show on. Alright, so as I say, we are there now, we are get the square line going. So we are chalk it. Yeah, so this line I know are the real square line. This red one. That one. That are the real square line I know. Alright my people, so what do I know? Because I work at going at the place and everything, we square it at the doorway, but we are going to start the tile from right here. So this is our square line we are work with. So this is going to fall back right out of the doorway. Because of how the building stay right, I know it's kind of complicated. You might not get the full understanding of it, but you know, because we can't start from the door, we don't like to start from, because that area kind of not ready. But what we do is square it from there, so we eventually are going to run it right through. The ant will drop right back down there, so right on that square line down the doorway. Yeah. So when we lay the first time, I'm going to show you, you can get a full understanding. Yeah, but yeah. So as I said, this is our square line. This is our starting point right now. Yeah. So what we're going to basically do now, we're going to try to take out these area, like the room there. In here, so all of them places. We want to clear the passage. So we're going to go through the passage and go right down as far as we can go. Yeah, so as I say, with square line, yeah, it will work good. Yeah. Alright, my people, so this is how we do this, the first time. So said, this is the square line. So them tile are some big tile. So them tile are 48 by 48. So you know me about that. So the tile that I make to put in a big tile.
Original doggy style, they don't know. Long time I was not asking me to do. When they used to the video like this, but there. Pull up. 110. Alright. Like this.
Yeah, so as I say, we give you the square line. So you can see what the square line look like. You know. Yeah, so we start off at the square line. So yes, we are get the ball rolling, so yeah. Putting in the row, some big tile, 48 by 48, monster thing. Yes, my people, so I'm going to some big tile monster from 48 by 48. I work with. So I pull some of that for one of them. Alright, my people, so lay some of them big tile, yeah? Yeah, so see how I gloves to lift them up. So as I say, we get a start, you know, 48 by 48. So we'll try to see if we can close up that area. Yeah, so as I say, we'll try to see if we can close off the room. Not an easy task, but you know, the tile them big and heavy. Yeah, I feel all in your still. Oh. So now, alright, wait. Alright, we are putting the big monster. As I say, 48 by 48. Yeah. The most down there.
Some real cheese in the cheese not over that in the
Yeah.
Same way, mouse. Same way. One mash me up. Love, share and like and share the thing. I say, tell a friend and tell a friend and next one tell a friend. You know, say a 48 by 48 thing. That's me, man. Up and up. Then you hold it again. See? You have to do the thing the same way. Now, keep with nothing in the middle. Just start when you're ready. Yeah, love, like and share. You see it? 48 by 48. Done. See it? Done now. Big tile them we are dropping in the man. Whole heap of space we have now. See it? And blow out places. Make you video the place and make you see it. You see it? Don't know. Them laying up on the thing here. Have to take time in a brother. Cause one man can't hold none of them. One man can't carry one in a brother. Two person have to drop them. That will mash up your back. And Tyler always have back problem most of the time and knee problem. You see me? You don't know. See it? See it? And see mouse over there in the corner there. I'm a deal with the thing over there. Same way. Alright man. Love, like and share the thing. Tell a friend and a friend, tell a next friend. You don't know who to link already, you know. stone it. You see it? Alright, brother. Huh?
How much minute you have on?
1 and 10.
Yes, my people, so yeah, basically I make a little closer for the day. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, so as I say, just pieces we have left in us we put in. So we try our best to run out all of the whole of tile we can run out. You know, as I say. Through the tile them so big the pieces and hard to go in. So you know. Yeah, so we're going out in here so. We try to take out all of what we can take out. Drop all of the whole tile and we can drop just when we come back in. Easier. Yeah, so we will try to clear the passage. Yeah, so we clear the passage and go down. Yeah, as far as we can go. So you know, just try to make it easier that's when we come back. Yeah, so all of the hard part I'm going to try to take them out. Remember the grain I run this way. Yeah, so when I come back now, you know this is not really hard to go in. Yeah, so we'll make it easy for you. Make the next step. Yeah, so we take time at one. Yeah, so as I say, we cover nice grounds, you know. Yo! If the tile them is so big, we put in cover more grounds, but the bigger them, the harder to work with. Yeah, so down the line I know. So over there. Yeah, some most are dropping the last tile for you there. Yeah. This is the last one for the day.